We are going to see how to register an account on Beatrance. Click on the registration link on the home page. Now fill the form to register. After filling, click Register. Navigate to your email to activate your account. To deposit, select Deposit from the transaction at the menu. Click Deposit. Enter amount and continue to select Wallet for payment. After payment from your exchanger, click Paid and wait for the system to confirm your deposit. Once funds reflect, proceed to invest in your plan of choice. To invest, click Invest from transaction at the menu, select Package of choice. Proceed, wait and see your funds grow. To withdraw, select Click to withdraw fund. At the home page, enter amount and select withdrawal method. Make sure to update your receiving payment wallet. You can also withdraw interest from your plan by clicking Interest under Withdrawal, then select Withdrawal Channel, Account Wallet, Bitcoin, USDT, etc. then Submit. You can also withdraw a referral bonus by clicking Bonus under Withdrawal, then select Withdrawal Channel, Account Wallet, Bitcoin, USDT, etc. then Submit. Finally, you want to earn more by referring your families and friends, click on Downlines, copy your link and share. Thank you.